Hello, my friend. Welcome back. I am so happy you are here today. Today, we have a very useful story for you. It is about going to the supermarket. Have you ever shopped in a foreign country? Maybe you felt nervous. Maybe you didn't know where things were. Don't worry. Today, you will follow Sofia. Sofia just moved to Canada. Today is her first time at a Canadian supermarket. You will learn shopping vocabulary. You will learn simple phrases. You will feel ready to shop anywhere. Let's begin. This is Sofia. She is 23 years old. She is from Mexico. 2 weeks ago, Sofia moved to Toronto, Canada. She came here to study. She is studying at a university, business management. Sofia lives in a small apartment near the campus. The apartment is nice, but empty. She has a bed, a desk, and a small kitchen. But her kitchen is very empty. No food, no drinks, nothing. For the past 2 weeks, Sofia ate at restaurants. But restaurants are expensive every day. $15 for lunch, $10 for breakfast, $20 for dinner. Too much money. Sofia needs to buy groceries. She needs to cook at home. It will save money. Today, she will go to the supermarket for the first time.
It is Saturday morning. Sofia wakes up at 9 o'clock. She is hungry. She ate the last apple yesterday. Now, there is nothing in her fridge. She must go shopping today. Sofia gets dressed. She puts on jeans and a warm sweater. Toronto is cold, much colder than Mexico. She puts on her jacket and her shoes. She takes her wallet. She checks inside. She has $50 in cash and a credit card. Good. That should be enough. She also takes a big bag, a reusable shopping bag. In Canada, plastic bags cost money. Sofia learned this from her classmate. Now she is ready. She leaves her apartment. Sofia walks down the street. The supermarket is not far, just 10 minutes on foot. The air is cold and fresh. Sofia sees other people walking. Some are going to the supermarket too. They carry shopping bags. After 10 minutes, Sofia arrives. The supermarket is big, very big. It is called Fresh Mart. There are many cars in the parking lot. Saturday is a busy day. Sofia walks to the entrance. The doors open automatically. She steps inside. Wow! The supermarket is huge. So many aisles. So many products. Lights are bright. Music is playing softly. Sofia feels a little overwhelmed, but also excited. Let's do this, she thinks.
Sofia sees the shopping carts. They are near the entrance. Big metal carts. She takes one. She pushes it. The wheels squeak a little. Now, what does she need? She takes out her phone. She made a list. A shopping list. Let's see. Milk, bread, eggs, chicken, rice, vegetables, fruit, coffee, butter. Okay, that is a good start. Sofia looks around. Where should she start? She sees signs hanging from the ceiling. Each sign shows a category: bakery, dairy, meat, produce, frozen food. Good. The signs will help her.
Sofia decides to start with bread. She looks for the bakery sign. There it is, aisle 3. She pushes her cart to aisle 3. The smell is wonderful. Fresh bread, sweet pastries. Sofia sees many types of bread. White bread, whole wheat bread, sourdough, baguettes. So many choices. In Mexico, she always bought the same bread. But here, everything is different. She picks up a loaf of whole wheat bread. She reads the label. Whole wheat bread. No added sugar. High fiber. Sounds healthy. She puts it in her cart. One item down. Many more to go. Next on her list, milk and butter. She looks for the dairy sign. Aisle 7. Sofia pushes her cart to aisle 7. She sees a long row of refrigerators. Inside, milk, cheese, yogurt, butter, cream. So many types of milk. Whole milk, 2% milk, 1% milk, skim milk, almond milk, oat milk, soy milk. Sofia feels confused. Which one should she buy? She sees another shopper nearby, a woman in her 50s. "Excuse me," Sofia says. The woman looks at her. "Yes," the woman says. "Which milk do you recommend?" Sofia asks. The woman smiles. "It depends," she says. "Do you want regular milk or plant-based?" "Regular milk," Sofia says. "Then I suggest 2%, the woman says. "It is a good balance. Not too much fat, not too little." "Okay," Sofia says. "Thank you so much." "No problem," the woman says. Sofia takes a carton of 2% milk. She also finds butter. She puts both in her cart. Good. 2 more items done.
Next, eggs. Sofia looks around. Where are the eggs? She walks down the aisle. She sees them. A whole section of eggs. White eggs, brown eggs, free-range eggs, organic eggs, large eggs, extra large eggs. Sofia picks up a carton of large white eggs. She opens it to check. In Mexico, her mother always told her to check. Make sure no eggs are broken. Sofia looks at each egg. All good, no cracks. She closes the carton. She puts it carefully in her cart. Great. Now she needs chicken.
Sofia pushes her cart to the meat section. She sees the sign, fresh meat. There are rows of refrigerated shelves. Chicken, beef, pork, fish. Everything is wrapped in plastic. Sofia looks for chicken. She sees chicken breasts, chicken thighs, chicken wings, whole chicken. She picks up a package of chicken breasts. She looks at the label. Chicken breast, boneless, skinless. 500 grams, $8. That seems reasonable. She puts it in her cart. She is doing well. More than half of her list is done.
Now Sofia needs vegetables and fruit. She goes to the produce section. This is her favorite part. Everything looks so fresh, so colorful. She sees tomatoes, cucumbers, lettuce, carrots, peppers, broccoli. She picks up 2 tomatoes, 1 cucumber, a small head of lettuce. She puts them in a plastic bag. Then she weighs them on a scale. The scale shows the price, $3. Good. She also wants fruit. She sees apples, bananas, oranges, grapes. She takes 4 bananas, 3 apples. Bananas are cheap here, just like in Mexico.
She puts them in another bag. Now her cart is getting full.
Sofia still needs rice and coffee. She looks around. Where's the rice? She sees a store employee, a young man in a green uniform. He is stacking boxes. "Excuse me," Sofia says. The young man looks up. "Hi, how can I help you?" he asks. "Where can I find rice?" Sofia asks. "Rice is in aisle 12, he says. "The international foods section." "Aisle 12, Sofia repeats. "Thank you." "No problem," he says with a smile. Sofia pushes her cart to aisle 12. She sees rice. So many kinds. White rice, brown rice, jasmine rice, basmati rice. She picks up a bag of white rice, 2 kilograms. Now, coffee. She sees it on the same aisle. She takes a medium-sized jar of instant coffee. Perfect.
Sofia stops for a moment. She takes out her phone. She looks at her shopping list. Milk, check. Bread, check. Eggs, check. Chicken, check. Rice, check. Vegetables, check. Fruit, check. Coffee, check. Butter, check. Everything is done. Sofia feels proud. She did it. Her first shopping trip in Canada. Now it is time to pay.
Sofia pushes her cart toward the front of the store. She sees many checkout counters. Some have long lines. Some have short lines. She looks for a short line. She finds one. Checkout number 5. Only 2 people waiting. Sofia gets in line. She waits patiently. The first person finishes. Then the second person. Now it is Sofia's turn. The cashier is a woman with glasses. She looks friendly. "Hi there," the cashier says. "Hi," Sofia says. She starts putting her items on the conveyor belt. The bread, the milk, the eggs, the chicken, the vegetables, the fruit, the rice, the coffee, the butter. The cashier scans each item. Beep, beep, beep.
The cashier finishes scanning. She looks at the screen. "Your total is $43.50, the cashier says. "Okay," Sofia says. "How would you like to pay?" the cashier asks. "Cash or card?" "Card, please," Sofia says. She takes out her credit card. The cashier points to the card machine. "Just tap it here," she says. Sofia taps her card on the machine. The machine beeps. Payment approved. The receipt prints out. The cashier hands it to Sofia. "Here is your receipt," she says. "Do you need a bag?" Sofia smiles. "No, thank you," she says. "I have my own." She holds up her reusable shopping bag. "Great," the cashier says. "Have a nice day." "Thank you. You too," Sofia says.
Sofia moves to the side. She starts packing her groceries into her bag. She puts the heavy items at the bottom, the milk, the rice, then the lighter items on top, the bread, the eggs, the vegetables. She packs everything carefully. Her bag is full, but not too heavy. She can carry it. She lifts the bag. Okay, it is a little heavy, but she can manage. She walks toward the exit. The automatic doors open. She steps outside. The cold air hits her face, but she feels happy. She did it. She went to the supermarket alone. She found everything she needed. She paid by herself. She is proud. Sofia walks back to her apartment. The bag is heavy. Her arm is getting tired, but she keeps walking. After 10 minutes, she arrives home. She unlocks the door. She goes inside. She puts the bag on the kitchen counter. Finally,
She takes out the groceries one by one. She puts the milk in the fridge, the butter in the fridge, the eggs in the fridge, the chicken in the fridge, the vegetables in the fridge, the fruit in a bowl on the counter, the bread on the counter, the rice in a cupboard, the coffee in a cupboard. Now her kitchen looks full. It looks like a real home. Sophia smiles.
Sophia is hungry. She wants to cook something. She decides to make a simple meal, scrambled eggs and toast. Easy and delicious. She takes out 2 eggs. She cracks them into a bowl. She adds a little milk. She whisks them with a fork. She puts a pan on the stove. She turns on the heat. She adds a little butter. The butter melts. She pours the eggs into the pan. She stirs them gently. After 2 minutes, the eggs are ready, soft and fluffy. She puts 2 slices of bread in the toaster. The toast pops up, golden and crispy. She puts everything on a plate. She sits at her small table. She takes a bite. Delicious. She made this with food she bought herself in a new country. Sophia feels happy. She feels independent. She feels proud.
After eating, Sophia washes the dishes. She sits on her couch. She thinks about today. This morning, she was nervous. She didn't know what to expect. The supermarket was big and confusing. But she stayed calm. She asked for help when she needed it. She found everything on her list. She paid successfully. She carried everything home. And now she has a full kitchen. Sophia learned something important today. You don't need to know everything. You just need to try. And it's okay to ask for help. People are usually kind. Tomorrow, she will cook something else. Maybe chicken and rice or a salad. She has so many options now. Sophia smiles. Living in a new country is hard, but it is also exciting. Every day is a new adventure.
Okay, my friend, let's remember what we learned today. Sophia went to the supermarket for the first time. She made a shopping list before going. She took a reusable bag. At the store, she looked for signs to find items. She asked for help when she was confused. She found milk, bread, eggs, chicken, rice, vegetables, fruit, coffee, and butter. At the checkout, she paid with her card. She packed her groceries carefully. She walked home and organized her kitchen. Then she cooked her first meal. The lesson? Shopping in a new place can be scary. But if you prepare and stay calm, you can do it. And it feels amazing when you succeed.
Thank you for watching today. Thank you for learning with me. You did an amazing job. Now you know how to shop at a supermarket in English, how to ask for help, how to find what you need, how to pay at the checkout. Remember, it is okay to feel nervous in new situations, but you are brave. You can do anything, one step at a time. If you liked this video, please subscribe. Press the button. Join our family. We make simple English videos for you. Easy to understand, easy to enjoy. Leave a comment below. What is your favorite thing to buy at the supermarket? Tell me. I will see you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Keep learning, keep smiling, and remember, you are doing great. Goodbye, my friend. See you soon.